So good morning everyone. We have actually met here for creating the bonsai. So the topic is the art of creating bonsai, and today Parth Teli and Gaurav Kori, these two are gonna prepare a bonsai. I will be there with them, and we are going to enjoy this aesthetic art of creating this such type of bonsai. So let's go ahead. While before going ahead, I would like to say that you just subscribe, follow, and also like the channel. And whatever you feel, you may comment it. I will just reply towards a comment, and we may move ahead. So let's go ahead. Today we are performing the practical on how to create a bonsai, and now we are actually moving ahead with the preparation of soil first of all by segregating the fine particles with the basis of its size. So particle size of the soil will be separated accordingly, and it will be used at the layer on while preparing a bonsai. And the soil is strained by Mr. Parth Teli. Parth, see here, thumbs up. Yes. And the other one, the other guy who is doing straining is Gaurav Kori. Gaurav. Yes. So this is how we are now separate the particles of soil based upon its size. So see, this is a soil which is very fine, and the soil particles are very much fine in nature. Okay. The fine soil which is strained by Mr. Gaurav Kori and Parthel is getting transferred into a tray. So now we have taken three types of soil. The one which is thick, having gravels in it, it will be on the base layer of the pot. This is having quite a fine soil particles. This will be the middle layer of the soil while preparing a bonsai, and this is the fine soil particles. As you can see the differences between all these three soils as we have clicked the video. Along with the soil we are also going to use for pot. So see, this is how the pot must be. So a pot which is ceramic in nature, and this ceramic pot is going to be used for preparing bonsai, while this is a wire mesh to this will be kept, yeah, for the drainage system, helping the drainage system. This is the scature, and we are gonna cut or chop whatever that is not required from the plant, and this is the wire which is we are gonna use for tying and making the plant steady in a position as per the requirement. So Gaurav and Parth and me, all three are gonna prepare this bonsai. Guys, we are actually here in a campus. We are looking for a plant which is best suitable for creating a bonsai, and let's have a look. So see, these are the plants in the campus, and we are gonna searching this plant so which is suitable for bonsai and which can fit as per the criteria for the types of bonsai. And so let's have a look whether any plant that can be easily suitable for it. So guys, now we have reached to a plant. This is an Arala species. This we have found to be quite more suitable for making a bonsai, and let's move ahead. And Gaurav is gonna place this plant in a very good condition in while creating a bonsai. So let's go ahead. So we have actually uprooted a particular plant which can form a bonsai, and it is actually suitable for a bonsai. Let's have a look on the plant. See, this is Parth who have actually holding a suitable part of the plant which can be used as a bonsai. And Gaurav, see, this is how a bonsai plant can be. It's so beautiful it is. Now we are gonna plant it, and we are gonna create a very good bonsai, a very suitable bonsai. So now we are actually moving ahead for chopping the plant as per whatever the required we need the part we are actually gonna use it. Okay, so this is how we gonna break the branch off. So now we have actually chopped down the plant, and see, this is how this also one part can become one bonsai, as well as there's also a part can also become one other bonsai. So this is how one can actually prepare a bonsai. So this is the pot that we are going to use for a bonsai, and this is the wire mesh that will be kept here in the center, and that will be acting as a supplementary for helping the drainage system without allowing any soil or particles to move out from that opening. So this is how it will be. Having a wire, we are having a wire. Now we are gonna make this plant twig to be stable. Yes, and now this will be kept here in this location where we want that particular twig of the plant to be placed in it. Okay, and then we are going to allow it to pass by, yes, the opening, and further passing it through the opening, we are going to bring it back above. Yes, so see, this is how, yes, this is how the plant that we need to be placed in a pot and to be stable is tied. So now we are going to add the first layer of soil. Yes, the first layer of soil. Yes, and above it we are going to add the second layer of soil. We are going to make actually a replica of forest type of bonsai. Now we are going to add the second layer of soil, and we are going to place this plant. Yes, and we are going to place this plant after covering the first part of soil. We are going to place the other side of the plant. Okay, and we are going to fix it. So now once we have set this plant in a direction, yeah, so we can see that we have tied a wire, and which has been again same, it is allowed to be stable in a pot. And now we will move ahead for adding one more plant. So now we are going to add fine soil. Yes, this is a very fine soil that forms the upper layer. And this is how a small bonsai, which is similar to forest type of bonsai, having the heights and the straight upward direction of the stems. So now we have actually also preparing the second bonsai, and the same branch that we had brought from the campus is been, see how it has been placed, just have a look on it, and how it has been tied and it has been fixed. So this is how it is, just have a look properly, and this is how the whole, yes, the tying of the whole plant and fixing it in the pot. So this is how the wiring is done, and the shape that we need of a bonsai can be actually achieved by this way. Okay, so This is a bonsai that is going to be made of Aurelia. And see, important is about the branch or the twig of the plant that we actually select before preparing the bonsai. We are adding the first layer of soil, which is thick, and it is containing solid particles. Now these are the hydrotones which are been added in the first layer. Okay, so now we are adding the second layer of soil, which is thick. It's not very fine. This is how you can see a twig of the plant is completely bent by wiring. So this is how the wiring helps a plant to be molded into different shape as per what we need or as per our interest. Correct? So see, this is how we have actually fixed the second layer of soil in a pot of bonsai, and now we are going to add the fine coarse soil, which will be the top layer. It will form a top layer, and this is how the bonsai will be made after having water. And later on, then we are going to prune the plant. Whatever the unrequired plant parts are there as per the design that we need, we are going to actually prune it. So now the pruning is on the process, and see how we are going to create a design. A beautiful design of the plant will be created, and this is how we are going to make the plant to be seen very beautiful. Even the leaves which are not required, or what we can say, the leaves which are not in a shape, in a proper condition, those are also to be trimmed. And that is how one has to take care while preparing a bonsai, that the plant condition as well as the plant type may define the type of bonsai. This is how now the watering is to be done. We should not directly hit the upper layer of the prepared bonsai. Rather, the capillary action actually helps the water to be raised, and this is how water will be easily absorbed and the plant will be easily in a safe condition. So this is how it will be. So similarly for the second bonsai, also the same methodology we are going to follow, and this is how it will be. So see, so this is how this bonsai is going to be raised. Now these twigs are very thin in shape, or we can say the thickness is very much. So the bonsai that we have prepared is very beautiful, and these bonsais are now going to be kept for growing, and this is how we beautify the plants from whichever the condition they are into, and make them to be aesthetic. So bonsai is an aesthetic art that one can actually achieve. So this is the real-time bonsai that we have actually made, and it's look very beautiful, aesthetic. See how it is seen. So beautiful it is. We're gonna click the photos of both and we will post it. So lots of thanks, and I would like to say that just inform, just subscribe, like, follow, and whenever you feel like busy, you feel like tired, you feel like worried, anxious, just see to it that you will preserve this art and you will just enjoy and you will just get free mentally, emotionally, as well as you will also spend your quality time in this part. Okay.